In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox error code 272. This error usually indicates that you've been disconnected from a game because it's found a script, browser extension, or a cheat tool that is not allowed. It usually happens due to third-party browser extensions or background software that triggers the anti-cheat system. So the first thing you want to do is turn off or remove any extensions made for Roblox. To do that, we'll open up Chrome and then we'll go to the three dots, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions. Now what we need to do is press remove next to any extensions that have anything to do with Roblox. Now refresh your page and try play again. If it's still not working, what we need to do is open up our Finder app, go to Go to folder, type this in, and press enter. Now look for anything that says com.roblox and put it in your bin. Now empty your bin, now try relaunch Roblox, and if it's still not working, what we need to do is go back into Finder, go to Applications. Now in the search bar, search for Roblox, right click on the application and move it to your bin. You'll then need to reinstall Roblox from the official Roblox site. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped, and if it did, please like and subscribe.